always end up turning your nose. Well, I suppose you wanna go where the in crowd goes and know everything the in crowd knows. Saying everything right, you keep your image tight with everyone you meet and greet. But the truth of it all is that it's easy to fall if you can stand on your own fucking feet. You're so busy kissing everyone's ass, you haven't noticed that your nose is brown. Well, you're the clown of the town, but you think you're going up. Well, I can promise you you're going down. So stop wasting your time because you're way out of line. It's all imaginary fame. You're not wearing a crown, and the only place you'll ever be famous in is your own brain. 15 minutes of being famous, a whole lifetime of being nameless. 15 minutes of being famous, so on your way to fame. A whole lifetime of being nameless. You made yourself You're just a wasting my time. There's nothing good in you. Going from bad to worse is the best you can do. With your head up your ass, you're just a bad excuse. You don't say what you mean, so what's the fucking use?